Hello everyone! So today I have my first, or not my first actually, my official dorm haul. I recently did a dorm haul that was more like decor and school supplies haul. That was probably the most recent video on my channel. So if you guys want to check that out, just do that, you know. I got a box from Roomify. I can't actually hold up the box because it's huge. I did get one of their bundles. So there are 3 bundles that you can choose from for like the dorm section, I guess. The most expensive bundle is probably the best money's worth, but I actually didn't need all of those items that it came with, so I actually chose the second box. I also had a coupon code that you can just find online, and they actually have coupon codes on the website that you can choose from, and you can get like a certain percentage off. But this is all I got in my box. Besides it taking like 3 weeks to get here, I'm very excited and everything looks good. I've only seen the top so far, but everything looks good so far, so hopefully everything, you know, kind of works out. But I'm gonna unbox this. Let's get started. So the first things I see are 2 pillows, and they are not super firm, but they're not super soft either. They kind of just remind me of the exact same pillow that I sleep on right now. And they're 2 very fluffy pillows. The next thing I see are, oh, these are plastic. I thought they'd be like one of those felt ones. I have some pink hangers. It says, "You're hung up on me." And this is in the blush pink color. I did get like a certain style, I guess you could say. And so a lot of my accessories are pink. So yeah, I do have a bunch of black felt tip hangers, as you guys know, and I kind of prefer those. But this will be good for like things that don't technically need like the felt tip, and it'll just hold on very well. They also have like that little thing inside, so maybe I'll hang up some like spaghetti strap things. Next, there's a blush fleece blanket with a Red Bull stuck inside. I did not order that, BG Dubs. It says, "I got you covered." It's very soft. As you guys know, I actually have a blanket, but I will use this. Shaping up your GPA, and I guess Red Bull's like a sponsor or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna take all of these out. These are just ads. Oh, the next thing I see is a 4-piece shower caddy set. It comes with a shower caddy, toothbrush, and soap holder and slippers. Wow, these slippers are humongous. These are the slippers that it comes with. It's just black, which I like. And then the actual shower caddy. Ooh, the actual shower caddy. It's not as big as like the ones that you see at Bath and Body Works or Bed Bath & Beyond and like Target and stuff, but I really don't need that much to just like take with me when I shower. And then the soap holder and the toothbrush holder are really nice. I got the power. This includes a power strip, 3 outlet extension cords, and a 6-foot Ethernet cable. I don't know what I'll need the Ethernet cable for, but all of the extension cord and the power strip will be very, very useful for college. Oh, this thing. Our school provides us with a desk lamp actually, but I wanted to clip this or like put it next to my bed, just like as a smaller power source, just because I feel like if I need to do something while my roommate is studying, I don't want the entire desk lamp to be lit because it's so big. But this is just what it looks like. It looks like exactly in the picture. It's white. The next thing is a clip fan, and I got this because while we do have air conditioning, Davis gets really, really hot, and so I just wanted something for like direct air support. There's 2 speeds, it's 6 inches. It clips because it's a clip fan. We have a, I thought this would be smaller. I hide all your dirty laundry. It is a collapsible laundry hamper. It'll just be good to take it to the laundry room, and I'm pretty sure we have a laundry room either on each floor or just on the first floor. I'm not sure, but either way I'm gonna need to take it back and forth. Wake up ramen. is a 9-piece blush microwavable dish set. So it comes with 2 plastic plates, 2 bowls, 2 cups, 1 spoon, 1 fork, and 1 knife. It's like the ones that you can get from Target that are like 79 cents, but they were in it, so why not? This is my comforter. As you can see, it's base white with like this like grayish green pattern. It's like kind of floral, kind of not. If you guys didn't know, Roomify is owned by Dorm It Up, or like Roomify used to be Dorm It Up, something like that. And so that's why the logo is from there, but it feels pretty good. Again, I don't really want to open it until move-in. This is a storage bin, a under the bed storage bin, which I was actually planning to bring my shoes in one of these, and another under bed storage bin. So perfect, lots and lots of storage. Next is, oh, my sheet set. Oh, this is kind of cute. I didn't know it was printed. So it says, oh, sheet. It is a blush medallion 5-piece sheet set. It has 1 flat sheet, 2 fitted sheets, 2 pillowcases, and it fits mattresses up to 14 inches. Everything is twin XL, by the way. It's like the only size you can get. I thought this was pink polka dots because it kind of looks like that on the website, but I guess it's little, what is it, a mandala? Or medallion? Medallion? I thought that was for like medals and stuff. Or like, what's that like really cool print called that you put on like tapestry? Isn't that like a mandala? Next thing, I have a 6-piece blush towel set. So fresh, so clean. This is a lot more pink than I thought it was going to be. It has 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, and 2 washcloths. I'm also bringing some gray towels as well, just because I really like the gray towels that we use at home, and we have a surplus of them. So I don't know if I'll bring all of these pink towels or like just like kind of mix and match, you know? And then the last thing, and the most exciting thing, is this gigantic blue ball of foam. And this is a mattress topper. Oh, my hair is like sticking to it because it's so staticky. It is 2 inches, I believe, because that's what it said on the website. You put this on top of your mattress and then you cover it up. So that is all for this video. Look at this. This is like not even, oh, and it's kind of just like rolling back. But that is all that is in this box. Wow, that is a lot. I feel like in some ways that is totally worth the money. I know it took like 3 weeks or like over 3 weeks for it to deliver, but if I were to get all of these items separately or like bought new ones, I feel like it would have been so much more money. If you guys do want to save money, however, either go on Roomify, or if you really just don't want to spend much for your dorm room, or much money for your dorm room, go to Target. They have like $15 comforters, and like their sheet sets are like barely $20, I believe. Look for the Target brand, and although it may not be the best quality out there, you're only technically using it for a year, and then some if you want to use it for your college apartment or something. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other college videos you guys want me to do, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!